Taxes for independent contractors versus employees. Form W-9 serves as a critical initial step in the process of engaging independent contractors for payment services. Once it's determined that the individual is indeed an independent contractor, the completion of Form W-9, known as the Request for Taxpayer Identification Number and Certification, is required. This form facilitates the collection of accurate information such as the contractor's correct name and taxpayer identification number, TIN. It's essential to maintain a copy of the completed W-9 in your records for a duration of 4 years. This documentation proves valuable for future reference, particularly in instances where questions may arise from the contractor or the IRS. Transitioning to Form 1099 NEC, which became mandatory beginning in tax year 2020, streamlines the reporting process for non-employee compensation, NEC. Payments exceeding $600 to non-employee service providers, such as subcontractors, attorneys, or accountants, necessitate the completion of Form 1099 NEC. Copies of this form must be provided to the independent contractor by January 31st of the following year and also submitted to the IRS by the same deadline. It's important to note that independent contractors may have their own employees or hire subcontractors, and thus, they should be aware of their tax responsibilities, including filing and reporting requirements for these workers. Exceptions to the requirement of Form 1099 NEC are outlined in the instructions for Forms 1099 MISC and 1099 NEC. Additionally, understanding backup withholding and non-resident alien withholding obligations is crucial. Withholding may be necessary for non-employee compensation under Internal Revenue Code, IRC 3406 and 3402, as well as for non-resident aliens under IRC 1441. Independent personal services, a term commonly used in tax treaties, are personal services performed by an independent non-resident alien contractor as contrasted with those performed by an employee. Payments made to these individuals may be subject to 30% withholding, non-resident alien withholding rate, unless a lower rate is provided by tax treaty or the law. Failure to comply with these regulations may result in withholding rates of 24% for U.S. persons and 30% for non-resident alien contractors, unless specified otherwise by tax treaty or law. The IRS provides electronic filing options such as the Information Returns Intake System, IRIS, Taxpayer Portal and the Filing Information Returns Electronically, FIRE, system, which facilitate accurate and efficient reporting of Forms 1099. Furthermore, recent regulatory changes effective from January 1, 2024, mandate electronic filing for filers of 10 or more returns in a calendar year, emphasizing the importance of staying abreast of evolving filing requirements to ensure seamless tax compliance.